if you do something, hire Michael Jaafar. He'll do his best to work his way through the system. This was likely going to be delayed anyway, even without the attorney switch up. But as time goes on, does it? Well, first of all, how hard is it to read in on something of this magnitude? So these two are gone. Two new attorneys come in a case like this. It's a high-profile case, and keep in mind, this went years where there were no arrests. But there were investigations going on and interviews going. The discovery here is going to be voluminous. It is voluminous. How difficult is it to get up to speed to effectively represent this guy?
It's so awful, Ted. It is so bad. The answer to your question is, it's impossible to ever truly catch up to speed in a way where you are going to advocate for somebody in the same quality with where you would have advocated for them had you been involved from the beginning. We all know that in our profession, the minute that you fire your lawyer or your lawyer quits, everything goes haywire. I don't really recall a situation where a lawyer quit in the middle. I'm sure it has happened, but I don't recall a situation where a lawyer has quit in the middle of a criminal case and the defendant succeeded. I just don't. I'm sure it has happened, but I can't recall it, right? So it's almost impossible to really catch up to speed. So to answer your question, the time it would take, I mean, it would take months. It would take months. And then at that point, you're just reading and reading. And while you're reading and while you're trying to understand, more developments happen, and then your client gets upset, and your client expects you, hey, you're wearing a suit, you're a lawyer, you should know this stuff, and hey, I'm trying to figure this out, buddy. So it'll take months to get caught up to speed, and even then, it'll always be suboptimal.